Hello and welcome. Today we are going to see how to add color swatches to your Shopify product page. First, open your Shopify admin page and navigate to the Add Application section. From there, head to the Shopify application store and search for Glow Color. Once you find the application, click to install it. Since there are a free trial available, let's give a try by clicking on Continue as free. Next, embed the applications with your store by clicking on Go to Theme Editor. Make sure the application is properly embedded and activated before saving and returning to the previous tab. To adjust the setting, go to the left sides of your screen and tweak the collection appearance. Here, you can choose the swatch type. Size, spacing, border style, border color, and hover effects. You can add glow or shadow. Zoom in on images when customers hover over them. Or increase the size of the products when hovered. Once you're satisfied with the adjustment, click Save and move to the next step by clicking on Appearance Product. And repeat the same steps as you did for the collection. After making all the necessary adjustments, go back to the previous tab and sync your changes. Choose the display style you prefer and click on Configuration. To assign color to your products based on your collection, choose the display style you prefer and click on Configuration. Assign colors to your products based on your collection. Finally, check out your online store to ensure everything is working correctly. Thank you.